Hi, this is Anna from Jamshid Branch, and this is my pre-vlog for EC4 Lesson 3 Smartphones. Alright, so for this week's project, students are going to create new features for future smartphones and present them to the class. For the ID section, I like to make sure the class has enough discussion on the features of current smartphones. Make sure to provide examples your students can relate to. For example, in terms of communication, we can talk about KakaoTalk, Kakao Story, Naver Van, Line, and stuff. Alright, so let's move on to materialize. Here, each group member is expected to work on a different feature. Again, it's very important to give clear and specific instruction. I have 12 students in my EC4 class, and I am planning on breaking them into 3 groups. That means each team will be coming up with 4 new features, and each member will be responsible for his or her own image board or poster and script. For this specific project, I think kids will benefit from using Cymera app. They can easily edit pictures, arrange them differently on one page, and even add text. I noticed not everyone has this app installed on their tab, so make sure they do in advance. Finally, group members' posters should be sent to one tab, so instructors can connect the tab to the TV using HDMI cable or dongle and share everyone's work with the class. During the preparation section, students can use Bluetooth to send their posters to one of the members' tab. Tell them to rename their tab before they do that so they can find each other's tab easily. I hope this helped, and see you guys next time.